Pleased to see you again, everyone at Wealthy Coin. Please view this video before buying Shiba Inu coins. Sacred Boat, Hiba updates to view our most recent content. Be sure to crush approve, share, and subscribe to the feed. The Shiba Inu cost has been patiently waiting for an optimal assistance level to be determined following its recent shaky relocation. The SHIB team has still not achieved consistent progress, even after addressing the items brought up in the previous meeting. Regardless, the coin is preparing for an unpredictable move, and everything is fitting together as planned. We shall talk about Blessed Boat in this video. Take a look at this video first before you buy Shiba Inu coins. Hiba updates after flipping this level on August 5th, the Shiba cost has been hovering at the 0.118 support level for more than a month. Before setting off a half meeting, it merged over it for a long time. However, in the days that followed, the Shiba Inu price corrected these additions. It crossed over the even support level at 0.00118 and the slanted pattern line. However, SHIB broke through this alignment on September 15th, confirming the start of a decline. If this trend continues, the price of Shiba Inu will likely fall by 25% and fall into the failure range of 0.083 to 0.0093. Initially, it will establish the groundwork for the long-term bullish play. However, the bears will be disappointed if the Shiba price reverses and closes the daily candle close above the 0.118 barrier. The unfavorable viewpoint will be disproven if this impediment is turned into a help level. The Shiba cost could suddenly spike to 0.179 as a result of this upgrade. One of the local coins for Shiba Inu, BONE, surged 20% today, reaching a new intraday high of $1.37. As more and more investors put buying pressure on the token, the price of BONE keeps going higher. Assuming all goes according to plan, the Shibarium public beta testnet send-off date is quickly approaching. Need to happen before the end of the current month. Symbolics has flooded by 87% in the past several days, and earlier in the week it peaked at $1.77. Investors in BONE last month have seen a nearly doubling of their portfolio size as a result. Since July 2022, the price of BONE has been steadily rising. Under multi-month, it went up from $0.48 to $1.1010. By the end of the following week, the price of BONE would have probably changed to $2. In the past few months, the price of BONE has skyrocketed, providing investors with enormous rewards on their bets. As an asset from before unification, BONE will serve as the administrative badge for the Shibarium Layer 2 organization. The L2 organization's documentation is scheduled to be released the week after next. A fantastic use case in the Shiba Inu people group, the BONE symbolic fills and has gas expenses in the Shibarium organization, according to the corporation. Regardless, the exact date of the Shibarium network shutdown has not been announced. The SHIB group has recently announced that the farewell will take place this month. It should come as no surprise that investors are piling up BONE tokens in anticipation of an early section position prior to the launch. Since BONE would be a use case token in the Shibarium organization, proponents believe its price might continue to rise. These investors would get superior return consumptions as a result of a price increase. BONE will keep pulling in serious buyers until the SHIB group announces the day for the Layer 2 organization's kickoff. The latest data shows that BONE is currently trading at $1.37, representing a 10.9% increase. Still, you may save 91.3% compared to its all-time high of $115.50, which it achieved in July 2021. A limit of $230 million on BONE tokens was announced earlier this month by the SHIB organization, preventing the BONE token from being stamped again. The remaining $20 million is allocated for gas and Shibarium validators, even though BONE's largest asset is $250 million. One reason BONE was one of the top cryptocurrency gainers last month and received a key price boost was because of new information regarding trade postings. The Shiba Inu, a type of hunting dog native to Japan, serves as the mascot for the Shiba Inu altcoin made on the Ethereum platform. We set out to answer the question, what would happen if a digital money project was completely supervised by its local area with this endeavor? Rashi, the digital money's organizer, claims that a decentralized, unconstrained local area construction trial was the inspiration for its formation. According to Rashi, a decentralized group can achieve manifestly greater results than a centralized one. Because of its stability and longevity, Rashi decided to build the Shiba Inu habitat on the Ethereum blockchain, allowing the work to remain distributed. Recently, Shiba Inu dominated discussions about digital currency, with picture coins experiencing a 30% rise in a single day due to a significant, unexpected surge in market demand. Shoshir Kusuma, primary designer of ShibaSwap, stated on Twitter that he is well and ready to investigate further details about the Shiba Inu endless game. He revealed his availability on the SHIB conflict server, where he would discuss the next mobile game in detail. He promised to end the visit to evaluate Time Everlasting tomorrow at 9 o'clock PSD and urged backers not to miss his passionate speech. A SHIB disagreement, please. My stay will come to an end so that I can discuss Shiba Time Everlasting and anything else linked to it. My passionate speech and perspective on SHIB's future are something you would rather not miss. Salutations, SHIB Armed Force. He posted a tweet. Shoshir refrained from providing any additional details about SHIB's future in this tweet. We need to wait for additional information to be posted on the SHIB Dissension server. Also, Thursday at 9 a.m. PSD is when we're going to have the discussion on the Shiba Forever game, but there's been some dispute. The Endless Time Travel game is also available for testing in Vietnam and Australia, so it might be sent first. According to Unification X Assets blog, Charm Public Beta Testnet could also be released this month, but other projects will most likely be completed in 2023 or later. The Shiba Inu People Group has been recognized by David Jin, the organizer of Jin Media and a former U.S. congressional challenger, for igniting the consumerism in the crypto environment. According to Jin, SHIB is the one who started this whole buying craze. The local region blamed Shiba Inu's enormous biggest inventory at its minimal expense and failed to recover after it retreated from its unmatched highs of 0.00008616. In order to let interested backers contribute funds to an irretrievable wallet, they forced the group to allow a voluntary symbolic consumption. Worried investors know that a drop in supply would trigger a price cycle. There have been 60 billion tokens consumed by the Shiba Inu People Group thus far, and they are still counting. Even in a depressed market, the symbolic consumption attempt is unlikely to have a significant impact on the price of Shiba Inus. Still, it will have an effect going forward. Keeping above support at 0.104 and recovering lost ground, effectively to 0.0018, are more pressing concerns for SHIB's cost at the moment. In order to break free from the shackles that are preventing it from recovering, Shiba Inu cost must successfully manage the barrier at the center limit of the sliding channel. However, brokers will have to deal with the risk of further declines below 0.00000001 until SHIB crosses the channel. The astonishing dealer clog that was uncovered by the Into the Blocks IMAP on chain measure was around 0.0110. The reach has seen the purchase of 666.2 trillion SHIB tokens by about 11,500 addresses. A strong barrier like this suggests that recovery will be slow because investors are selling at their respective starting investment points. The lack of robust support areas, on the other hand, raises concerns with Shiba Inu's floor cost labeling, which in turn triggers alerts until a supported breakout occurs. Designers and developers behind Shiba Inu have worked hard to provide real value to token holders in an effort to boost the coin's profile. Among the suggested uses is the Shibarium, a meta-level biological system for Shiba Inus. A virtual land program will be a part of this work. Customers will be able to buy land and use it to build, develop, or breed their projects. Shibarium may be Shiba Inu's opportunity to shed its clownish reputation and become a serious brand, according to the engineers. Shiba Inu is currently worth over $3 million on the market. According to experts, the price could reach 0.00000011 in 2 to 3 years when the SHIB official